So I don't know what this message is about. I just know that the Most High wants me to deliver a message to you guys. And you know me. The Most High says, go. I'm going to go. So I'm feeling like there's something that you're uncertain about. Something you're unsure about. Or something that makes you feel not so confident. Maybe, so I'm getting, there's some decision that you need to make, but you're not sure on what decision to make. Let's see. For some of you, this is work. This is business. This is about leaving a 9-to-5 and working for yourself. Or I even hear some of you are thinking about starting a 9-to-5 because some project you've been working on hasn't been fruitful yet. Oh, that's a lot of messages. I do hear that your main goal is to be free. You want to be free from stress, free from heartache, free from headache, free from worrying about bills, free from worrying about this, that, and the other. I'm hearing that you want to release from struggle mode and be in flow. But I see you transforming from that. Transforming from always feeling like you got to hustle, to just being in power. To just things just flowing into you, things just coming in for you. But it's like you're being tested right now. You're going through a test of what is it that you really want? Do you really want what this is that you've been working on? Whatever this project is, do you really want this project to work out for you? I just saw 2, 3, 4. That's divine alignment. You are in divine alignment. You can't see it. And I know you've been hearing it. I know you have been hearing it because I've been hearing it. And I have been testing myself on, am I going to believe what I see in my reality, or am I going to believe what I feel in my soul? Am I going to believe what I dream about? Am I going to believe what the Most High tells me every single day? Or am I going to believe what I see with my own 2 eyes? What's that say? Believe half of what you hear and none of what you see. It's like you're being tested on your belief, on your faith, on your persistence. Are you going to give up because times are hard? Or are you going to keep going? Are you going to see this through? Or are you going to just give up? I'm hearing to set a goal for yourself. Set some sort of deadline or a timeline of how you want things to look. Let's say within the next year. What do you see for yourself or your project? Excuse me, thank you. I see 3, 4, 5. What do you see for your project or for yourself within the next 12 months? What is it that you envision yourself doing this time next year? Do you see an advancement? Do you see yourself still here? Can you not see anything? Because if you don't see an advancement, then you haven't envisioned, okay, so the message is coming through is about manifestation. And in order for your manifestations to come in to fruition, you have to fully envision yourself immersed, is what I heard, in this vision, in this manifestation. You have to be able to see it, touch it, smell it, feel it as if it's already here. That's how you manifest. You don't manifest by just saying it a couple of times and then being like, okay, where is it? You actually have to see that vision all the way through. I just saw 4, 5, 6. I'm seeing all this divine alignment. It's like you are here already, already walking in your purpose. And it's like it's a curtain around you. I'm seeing, if you haven't seen The Karate Kid, go look up the curtain scene on The Karate Kid, like the original Karate Kid with Ralph. I can't think his name, but Mr. Miyagi in there. And there's this scene where he has a shower curtain around him. He went for a Halloween party, and that's you walking through life in this shower curtain right now, and you have all this beautiful, magnificent blessings and miracles surrounding you, but you can't see it because you are behind this curtain, right? So in order for you to walk in this manifestation, you have to see it. You have to remove the curtain. You have to actually be willing to look around you and see all of the fruition, all of the manifestation that has come into your life. And if it's hard for you to do that, then writing will help you very much so. And what do I mean by writing? You don't even have to journal. That's always my advice to you. I live by journaling. Journaling has helped me so much throughout my life that I would recommend it to anyone. But if you don't want to journal, but you want to manifest, just write it like it's a short story. Make sure there's a beginning, a middle, and an end. You have to finish the short story. You can't just start the story and then stop. You have to finish it. That's how you manifest. 654. And start it from where you are now. And the middle is going to be harder because the middle is going to be where you're moving to. And then, of course, the end is your end goal. But you have to see it in great detail, what it is that you want to manifest. So I think that's it. That's the message. You have to see, completely envision your manifestation, whatever it is that you want. Even if you start off by just wanting something for your business, you want your business or your project, even if it's not a business project, whatever it is that you're working on, whatever it is that you're trying to manifest, see it completely, envision it, and write it down. It's gonna feel like you making it up, because that's basically what you're doing. You're making it up. You're making it up, making it look how you want it to look. And the thing about that is we envision things one way and the Most High doubles it. So think of whatever it is that you want as big as you can imagine it, and then see how it flows in for you. It's going to flow in for you, especially if you completely envision this, okay? You have to completely envision it, even if you don't believe it for yourself. I know they always try to tell you that you have to believe in it, but you won't start off believing in something that you can't actually see in your reality. You're going to have to just start writing it like it's like you're writing a play. Or you know how in school we had to write short stories for English and we had to make up poems and things like that. Do it just like that. Okay? And you can come back here and let me know how your manifestation came about. Just because you wrote this short story of what you wanted for yourself, what you wanted for your life, what you saw for yourself. Okay? So, I send you so much love and light. I hope that this message was helpful for you. I know it was like a bit random, a bit over the place, but Spirit didn't have me prepping tonight. Spirit wanted me to just get this message out. It was new to me. So when I listen back, I'm going to have to take notes myself because I know that there's a message in here for me as well. So just keep swimming. Even if you don't believe it, write it down and write it so much. Once you write it, maybe read it so much that you begin to believe it. You know how they say that The mind doesn't know what's real. It just knows what's being thought of, and that's what it believes. So, just write your short story and keep reading it. Read it every day. Read it before bed. Read it when you wake up. Read it on your lunch break. I just saw 10:10. Just read it as much as possible after you write it. But write it first. That's step number one. Write your short story. Write your manifestation out and make it plain. Okay? I love you all, and I thank you so much for your support, so much for all of the love that you show to me. Check the description box for all of my info, and just keep swimming. Love and light. Namaste.